How to deposit a paper check to your very Chase account. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can deposit a very paper check to your very Chase bank account. If any day you would like to just deposit a paper check to your very Chase bank account, what you can do is you can apply a method for it. You can deposit a check online as well, or you could also do other of the various steps. Now, if any day in the very Chase bank account you would like to deposit online, you can sign in to your selected banking mobile application. Then you can just tap deposit checks and choose the account where you would like to deposit to. Enter the deposit amount. Now you can tap front and take the photo of the front of the check. Now there you can endorse your check and then tap on the next. Now again you have to take a photo of the back of the check and then choose deposit. Then tap yes to confirm. So this way you are done. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.